let's get into it. Hey ladies, so let's get into it. We have here, this is Too Faced Born This Way. This is the Healthy Glow SPF of 30. In addition, it's a moisturizing skin tint. So this is more that, you know, everyday, not so heavy, minimal coverage, just to kind of blur things out, kind of give you that healthy looking skin. It says here, watermelon plus apple hyaluronic acid. I like watermelon, I like apples, give it to me. But the only thing I'm nervous about is this Healthy Glow. You guys know I like more of a So here's the actual bottle right here, super cute. Kind of reminds you of my Dior, but the Dior, even though this is a foundation, more face and body foundation, it's sweat proof, so it does keep things at bay. Okay, we don't know about this one yet, so let's kind of go. Let's just try it out. It's very loose. I do have on a primer. I have on the Fenty True Matte. I will leave everything linked down below for you to kind of check out as we go. In the event I don't mention everything. So we are gonna put some makeup on. I'm gonna do like a I can't even get it out, y'all. I'm gonna do like an everyday makeup look just to kind of, you know, pull things together. So the packaging is cute. I like it. This is, you know, I like it. Let's go. Let's see. I gotta smell it. Why am I smelling it? I don't know why am I smelling it. I'm gonna use a foundation brush to just kind of wipe it on. I do have shade Chai. Is this a match? Well, this is my shade any other time. I get Chai in any of the Too Faced products. Okay. Very nice. It's kind of drying down. Before we get into it, I just want to keep this right here. I want to keep this right here. Do you see how smooth this is? This is my skin. I do have a little, you know, things going on, but that's okay. But look at this. So let's read the box a little bit. Let's get into it. Okay, infuses coconut water, alpine rose, hyaluronic acid, 24-hour wear. 24-hour wear kind of means we're gonna have a little matte foundation, all day hydration, vegan. This nourishing serum foundation with a 24-hour wear masterfully diffuses lines between makeup and skin while offering refreshing hydration with SPF 30 protection for a healthy glow skin. Our Color True formula conceals imperfection with sheer buildable coverage that feels weightless on skin, leaving you with a soft, focused glow. I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm liking how it's drying down. I'm liking it. I like this dry down. It's giving me this natural finish, but in addition to a little satiny, like, you know, not too matte, but satin. I like this. You guys know I love when I hit, right? Y'all know it. This is my color. This is like my shade. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go in with a good brush. Let's speed this up a little bit. Y'all, this looks good. This looks good. Do you guys see this? Let me fix up my brows because I did mess them up with putting on the skin tint. I like this. This is giving. Okay, we like it. We're sold. Okay, now we're gonna go in. You know what the crazy part about? I like Too Faced products. I really do. I really do. Okay. Ooh, this is a light concealer. Same specs, waterproof, sweat humidity resistant, non-creasing, delivers immediate and all-day moisture. All the same specs with the foundation. But you know. Ooh, I picked, the shade that I picked in this one is called Caramel Drizzle. So I didn't want to go too light. first off the back, I love how it feels. It's giving me hydration, which we all need, but yet it's still giving me that kind of a matte look. Y'all, it's really drying down. I like this. We like. Okay. All right. Let's get into this makeup look. We're gonna speed this right up. I'm not gonna hold you. Just watch and enjoy. Okay, ladies, so here's the final look. Makeup is on. In addition to the foundation is looking good. I am in awe. I saw this when this first came out. This came out a little while ago. I mean, not too long ago, but you know, within this year, in the, you know, last 3 months. And I was like, no, I don't want that glow business going on. But this looks nice. We're gonna see how it holds up and whatnot, and I'll give you some feedback on it in some future videos and whatnot. But I want to share this with you because this is a really, really nice foundation. Didn't know it, and I wasn't gonna pick it up, but something said pick it up. So here we have it. This is the Born This Way Healthy Glow with SPF 30, which is a really good thing. But I'm sure within about 2 hours or so, if you don't wear SPF, it's good to wear additional SPF because you do have to reapply SPF. I think about maybe 2 hours, I believe, every 2 hours. But you know, this helps out, you know, especially for, you know, I'm looking in the mirror, y'all. I cannot believe what the mirror is showing me. The camera looks amazing as well, but this mirror is giving me everything. So let me know if you have this particular skin tint. I want to say foundation, skin tint. Let me know what you think about it. And if it was ever on your list, if you know, let's let me know the deets about it. Again, the shade that I have is in Chai.